I have a question for you.
Yes.
How did the initiative of cooking for elderly people start?
Well, the initiative started by the Zorgcoöperatie Scheveningen to provide food for elderly people as they don't want to go to the supermarket, or they're afraid of going there, or they physically can't go there. That's why we cook the food, Mr. Blauwe meat today, and we distribute it to the people tomorrow and tonight.
Alright, perfect, thank you. So, what are you doing now for prepping the dish?
Yes, as we're going to make a nice curry. We have several steps to do that. First we're going to marinate the chicken. I have the chicken here. I have some herbs and spices over there. And a little fresh garlic. And so we're going to chop the garlic now. And we're going to mix all of this together and marinate it for 4 hours. So as I'm marinating the chicken right now, I have these ingredients, and basically you can use it upon your own flavor. For example, you need a little oil to distribute all the flavors, but if you don't want salt, don't throw it in there. If you like the chilies a lot, do a little more. And so on, that goes for all the ingredients.
I have another question for you.
Yes, of course.
Why did you choose this dish?
As this dish is nice and easy to heat up for people at home, as it's a nutrition dish, as we have a lot of vegetables in there. It's a healthy dish because we use rice. It's flavor-wise, people can add more spices to them at home to personalize the dish, as it's a very easy dish to do a lot of things with. So that's the reason why.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, this is what it could look like. I wish you all the best, good luck with cooking, and hopefully it's as flavorful as it looked like.
Right guys, welcome everyone. We're gonna make, and we all like the wine of Mr. Westerveld of course, but as well we still need to think of our alcohol usage these days. So therefore we're gonna make a mocktail. This mocktail will be inspired for the curry. It's gonna be amazing because we have some tropical notes in there, but as well fresh notes of apple and lime, lemon. So let's start. These are the ingredients. We will post it as well with a review. Always search for a cloudy apple juice. If you have regular apple juice in the house, it will be suited as well. We have some cocos milk. Almond milk will do the job as well. But cocos is really fine with the curry what we're going to serve. As well with the lemon, just a half lemon. We're going to squeeze that. A little bit of cinnamon and some brown sugar. If you have regular sugar, it will be suited as well. So let's start. You have some ice cubes. Put them in a shaker. Then we're going to add the apple juice. Milliliters.
80 milliliters.
Yeah, 80 milliliters. Then we're going to add the cocos milk. 30 milliliters. It's going to make it more creamy. With that, half of a lemon. Squeeze in there. If you don't have a squeezer, you can just squeeze it yourself in the glass and then add it to your cocktail. It's around 30 milliliters as well. Then 2 teaspoons of sugar. Here we're going to use brown sugar, but regular sugar will be suitable as well, like I mentioned. A dash of cinnamon. Watch out, not too much, otherwise it will influence your mocktail. Voila. And then we're going to shake. Make sure it's nice and close. We're going to shake it for 30 seconds. Because of the coldness, you can't get off the shaker, so just stick it on the side and then it's more easier to take it off. There you have your drain, which will stay into the shaker. And you just fill it up. And here's your cocktail. Cheers. We fill it up onto the top. Cheers.
So to give you several options, we also would like to suggest beer with the chicken curry. Again, as said before, it depends how spicy it is, but we decided for an IPA. We have decided for a non-alcoholic Brand IPA, and from the Brewdog Brewery, a low alcoholic IPA. This is 0.5 ABV, very suitable, but contains a little alcohol. Why IPA? It has a strong, rich flavors. It has lots of bitters, but it's also a bit acid. The spices, herb flavor. This is what we want to highlight. This match with the curry and the bitters, acidity. Those would make it suitable to have it with spiciness. Whichever choice you're gonna make, enjoy.
So the question is, what have you been doing to keep yourself busy?
I took care of my young son, who's 10 months old. And for the rest, yeah, looking after your assignments and cook a lot. I bought a new barbecue, which I really enjoyed making a lot of meat. Yeah.
Perfect, thank you.
Like now, cooking for elderly, vulnerable people, but also busy at home with the young kids. So, yeah.
All right, thank you.
2 days a week I'm cooking at the Madsen tennis court. I'm teaching my 8-year-old as he needs to study at home, and I'm enjoying the weather and the wine.
Thank you.
Become a family man.
Question would be, what would be your message to the HGH community?
Stay home, enjoy the food, the drinks, and especially your family.
Relax, and in the end it will all be fine.
Stay strong together from a distance.
Believe you can.